Welcome to QABot.com. In this video, we will show you instructions on how to use our TwitchViewBot to increase views for Twitch videos automatically, as well as increase Twitch followers. To buy this bot, you create an account on QABot.com, then you click on Software, click on TwitchViewBot. Next, you select the package that you want to buy, then click Add to Cart. Then you click on your card, click on Deposit, and make payment for this tool. After making payment, you click on this icon, select License Key, then you click on Download button next to TwitchViewBot in Software column here. You will see links to download the software and the user agent file. And this is the license key that you need to paste into license key section. We will instruct you later in this video. After downloading the software, you right click on this right file, TwitchViewBot Pro, select Extract here. Then you will see TwitchViewBot Pro folder. Open this folder, double click on this file to install the software. This is the software interface. Now we will instruct you to set up this tool. First, you click on General Setting. Then at License Key section, you paste the license key that we provided back to your account on QABot.com. This is the license key. Then you click on Copy button here, click OK. Then you paste the copy license key into the session license key. Next, total success session. This is the total number of times that you want the bot to run successfully. In case you leave this session at the default, the bot will run continuously. You can stop it manually at any time you want. If you put 1000 here, the bot will automatically stop after finishing 1000 times successfully. Next, track number saves the number of times that you want the bot to run at the same time. If you put 3 here, the bot will open 3 tabs, simulate 3 different devices at the same time. The number of threads depends on your PC configuration. The higher configuration is, the more threads that you can run. Next, folder cookie session. You need to create a new folder named Cookies. Then copy its path to paste it into the folder cookie session here. The bot will save cookies of Twitter account in this folder. Therefore, in the next run, it will load the cookies without logging back these Twitter accounts again. Similarly, you create a new folder named Data, then copy it back to paste it into folder Data session. The bot will save result of running in this folder. Next, if you want the bot to restore cookies, you select Yes at Restore Cookie session here. Otherwise, you select No. Similarly, if you want the bot to change user agent, you select Yes here. Otherwise, you select No. Next, user agent desktop section. You need to download the user agent file from the link that we provided when you buy the bot. This is the downloaded user agent file. Then you click on this icon at user agent desktop section, select the downloaded user agent file. If you want the bot to use raw file, you select Yes at Use Process session here. Otherwise, you select No. Next, you click on Accounts and Action, then continue to set up these sessions. At Account session, you need to import Twitter accounts here. There are 2 cases. In case you use our Twitter account creator bot, the created Twitter accounts will automatically update it into this tool. you need to click on this icon later. Then you will see the account which had been created by our Twitter account creator bot here. Then at account session, you need to select the group that you want to use only. In case you use Twitter accounts from the other sources, you can click on this icon to open the database manager dialog box. Then there are two ways for you to import these Twitter accounts. The first way is you import Twitter accounts manually. You click on this icon, select Add Group. Then you type the group name here. For example, I will type tutorial. Then click OK. You can see the tutorial group has been created here. Click on this group. Click on this icon, select Add Item. Then you will see the dialog box to enter information. First, at login session, you enter the email account that you use to register Twitter account. For example, this is the email that I used to register Twitter account already. In case you import Gmail account into login session above, you need to turn on 2FA, create app password, and then enter the app password into this password session instead of the real password. If you use other types of email, you can enter the email address and password normally. For example, this is the app password of the imported email account. Next, as the username of Twitter account. Next is with password. In case you select from data at proxy source session, you need to enter the proxy port, proxy username, and proxy password if any here. Otherwise, you can click OK now. Now I will enter the ID in proxy session. Next is the bot. Next, if your proxy needs proxy username and proxy password to work, enter them into these two sessions. Then you click OK. You can see the data has been imported here. Similarly, you can enter multiple accounts into the software. The second way to import Twitter accounts is you will create a new text file to save these Twitter accounts. Then you enter the corresponding information here. First is the email accounts that you use to register Twitter account already. Then you separate this information by comma. Next is the password. In case you use Gmail account, you need to turn on 2FA, create app password, and enter the app password into the text file instead of the real password of this Gmail account. This is the app password of this Gmail account. If you use other type of email accounts, you can enter the real password into this text file normally. Next, comma the username of Twitter account. Then comma Twitter account password. Similarly, you can enter thousands of accounts here. In case you select from data a proxy source session, you need to enter the proxy information into the text file too. Then comma, the IP, colon, port. If your proxy needs proxy username and proxy password, you need to enter them too. Colon proxy username, colon proxy password. Then click to save. Then on this dialog box, you click on convert, select import CSV. Then you upload the created text file to an account. You can see the account have been imported here. The default name of group will be CSV. If you want to change it, click on this icon, then enter another group name for you to easily manage. Then click OK, close the dialog box. At account session, you select the group up to an account that you want to use. Next, at IMAP server and IMAP port sessions, you need to enter the IMAP server and IMAP port of the type of email accounts that you imported into account session. For example, if you import Gmail into email account session, you need to search IMAP server and port of Gmail on Google like this. And then you will see the IMAP server and IMAP port here. Just copy this information to paste it into the corresponding session. The IMAP server here and IMAP port. Next, proxy source session. There are 4 options for you to choose here.